Hello, boys and girls, and welcome back for another lesson with Miss Kim. We are hitting another week of home learning. We're going to be learning our 10 new spelling words for this week. Before we look at our new spelling words, I want us to bring a paper and a pencil. Today we're going to be focusing on possessives. What does possessives mean? First of all, possessives means words that shows ownership. For example, this pen. Who's the owner of this pen? I am the owner of this pen. It's Miss Kim's pen. So in order for us to know who owns what or what belongs to what, we need to use possessive words. You add an apostrophe and s to the end of a singular noun to form a possessive. Plural noun that ends in an s, add an apostrophe to the end of the noun to form a possessive. In order for us to really understand this, we need to remember what is a singular noun and what is a plural noun. Now let's go back and rewind. What is a noun? Well, remember, noun is a person, place, or thing. We're going to go over singular noun and plural noun so you have a better understanding. Let's break it down. Singular noun. Singular means one, and noun means person, place, or thing. One person, boy. We have one boy. It's a singular noun because it's one and it's a person, boy. What if we have a plural noun? Plural noun means many, and noun means person, place, or thing. What if we have many boys? Then we need to add the s at the end of boy, boys. There are 4 boys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go back. Singular noun, one boy. We don't add the s at the end. Many boys, 4 boys, then we add the s at the end. Now that we know the difference between singular noun and plural noun, then you have a better understanding how to show possessives word. Let's do one more example before we go into that. Chair. How many chairs do you see? 1 chair. This is a singular noun. Chair, 1 chair. What if there are more than 1 chair? 3 chairs. Plural noun. Many things, many chairs. Then we add the s at the end. Let's go back to our definition again, or how you use possessives. In order for you to show ownership of what belongs to what, you need to add an apostrophe and s to the end of a singular noun to form a possessive. However, plural noun that ends in s, only if the plural noun ends with an s, you need to add an apostrophe to the end of the noun to form a possessive. Now that we did the example, this is our first spelling word, sons. This is a singular noun. We have the word son, only one son. And then to show possessive, you have the apostrophe and s. You add the apostrophe s when it's a singular noun. Our next spelling word is houses. This is a plural noun. Many houses. We have house, and then they add an s because it's many houses. So we add the apostrophe after the s. Singular noun, you do apostrophe s. Plural noun, you add the apostrophe. Next spelling word, cats. Singular noun, then you add the apostrophe s. Children's. Now this is tricky. Children is actually a plural noun. Children means more than one child. However, Children doesn't have an S at the end, so we add apostrophe and S. Plural nouns that has an S, only if it ends in S, then you need to put apostrophe, like houses. Doctors, more than one doctor, so then you put apostrophe at the end. Let's do our next spelling word. Dogs, more than one dog, then you put the apostrophe at the end. Moms, one mom, you add apostrophe and S. Trees, you say tree and then apostrophe S. Only one, singular noun, one tree, so you add apostrophe and S. Classes, more than one class, plural noun, so you add apostrophe after the S. Boys, more than one boy, so then they add the S at the end and then they put apostrophe. Let's go over each spelling words again. Repeat after me. Sons, houses, cats, children's, doctors, dogs, moms, trees, classes, boys. I'm going to give you one example to show you exactly what possessive means. Let's say your mom has a purse. You would say, my mom's purse is red. I'm going to write that down and give you an example. We're going to do moms. I'll write a sentence. My mom's apostrophe S. The reason why I put apostrophe S, because we want to know whose purse it belongs to. This purse belongs to your mom. That's why we use apostrophe S to show the ownership. Who's the owner of the purse? My mom's purse is red and big. The apostrophe S is a possessive. It shows that the mom is the owner of the purse. We're going to do another example. Boys. More than one boy. All of the boys' hair, all of the boys' hairs are black. All of the boys' hairs are black. There's apostrophe at the end after the S. Boys, plural noun, and it shows that it's the boys' hairs. So whose hairs is it they're referring to? They're referring to the boys' hairs. So possessive shows the ownership of something. Now that we have our 10 new spelling words and we're focusing on the concept of possessives, I want you to write the spelling words 3 times each. Please submit your work on Seesaw. Please write neatly. I gave you an example of mine. I wrote spelling words. I numbered it 1 through 10, and I wrote it 3 times neatly. I put a space between each word. I didn't forget to put the apostrophe or the S. And then next time, we're going to go over how do we use possessive words in a sentence. I'll see you next time. Bye.